Welcome back to this channel, The Math Mentor. Today through this video, I'll be explaining you exercise 6.1 from triangle chapter, NCERT class 10 CBSE. Right? So this exercise is introduction of similarity. In 9th standard, you must have studied congruency. First, you need to understand the difference between similarity and congruency. In 9th standard, we have studied when two figures are congruent, their angles and their dimensions both must be equal. But in similarity, when two figures are similar, their sides are in proportion and their angles are equal. Let's discuss the questions. First question we have: fill in the blanks using the correct word given in the brackets. All circles are, so answer will be congruent or similar. What according to you? As we have discussed, suppose for example, first circle is of radius 3 centimeter and second circle is of radius 5 centimeter, right? If I talk about whether the first circle is going to overlap the second circle or the second circle is going to overlap the first circle, so the answer is no. Therefore two circles cannot be congruent. Let's check the similarity. If I take the ratio of their radii, that is r1 upon r2, so r1 is 3, r2 is 5, 3 upon 5. Let's take the ratio of their circumferences. So first one is 2 pi r1 upon 2 pi r2, which will be again equals to 3 by 5. Therefore, right, we are getting proportion. Therefore all circles are what? Similar. I hope this is clear, right? Let's see the second. Filling the blanks. All squares are similar or congruent. So let's take one example. Let's say we have two squares of sides. First square is of side 3, second square is of side again 5, right? So in this case again congruency is not possible, but when we take the ratio of their sides and perimeters, right, so what we are going to get, again the answer will be what? 3 by 5 itself. Therefore what we can conclude, that all squares are similar. Let's see the third filling the blank. All dash triangles are similar. Two different isosceles triangles may have different angles, therefore isosceles cannot be your answer. So in this case, third case, all equilateral triangles are similar. I hope it is clear and you have understood, right? Let's see the next one. Two polygons of same number of sides are similar. Already we have discussed the definition of similarity. Their corresponding angles are equal and the corresponding sides are in proportion. I hope this is clear to you all, right? Going ahead, let's see the question 2. Give the two different examples of pair of similar figures, non-similar figures. Remember, in similar figures angles must be same and sides must be in proportion. Both the conditions should be satisfied, right? So let's see the examples of similar figures. So we are taking two equilateral triangles where angles are equal, and if you see the ratio of their sides, corresponding sides, they are same. That means sides are in proportion. Therefore these two triangles are similar. Next example for similar figure, we have taken two squares, right, as each angle is equal and sides are in proportion. Therefore these figures are again similar, right? Let's see the examples of non-similar figures, right? So first case, we have one trapezium and one square. Angles are not equal. Directly we can conclude the figures are not similar. Second example, one triangle and one parallelogram. As the number of sides are not same, so directly comparison is not possible in this case. Therefore these two figures are again non-similar figures. Let's see the last question of this exercise. State whether the following quadrilaterals are similar or not, right? So first we have a rhombus, then we have a square, right? When you compare their sides, they are in proportion, but the first, when you see at the first glance, angles are not equal, so directly we can conclude that these two quadrilaterals are not similar. Hope it is clear to you all. Let's see the conclusion of this, right? So quadrilateral PQRS and ABCD are not similar, as their corresponding sides are in proportion, that is 1:2, but the corresponding angles are not equal. Therefore these figures are non-similar figures. Hope you all have understood this exercise. In the next video we'll discuss few questions from exercise 6.2. Thank you so much for joining.